All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol TSLA, Tesla Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I do want to state some things. The first thing is welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Hope you guys find this information informative and helpful. So all my subscribers, I want to say thank you for your support, recognizing my efforts, and also giving me the feedback that means very well to me and also lets me know why I continue to do this and why I will do this and what the purpose is of this channel. So I really appreciate that from you all. Anybody that wants to piggyback off of what I state, you're more than welcome to, so I encourage that. Let's jump into this chart. The first thing is very bullish run, was above the 50-day moving average throughout this whole period. But as the stock moves up, right, the 50-day moving average moves up with it. And the 50-day moving average does not stop for anybody, and it's getting closer and closer to the price. So that is something to keep in mind and be very mindful of in the next couple of days, and specifically tomorrow on how this reacts. But in the next couple of days, the support level was broken through at one point, and you can see how it was used as support and it maintained itself above it. But this stock is getting to a very narrow stretch here, and we're gonna see what is going to be important for tomorrow. So important because the 50-day moving average is like on to the tail of the closing price and the stock price itself. And the resistance fell a little bit, which is going to be probably something that could be attainable, but that resistance needs to be broken for this to continue to work its way up. It's not, you know, okay, let's see how close it can get to resistance and close a little bit below it, this and that. No, resistance needs to be broken because if not, the bulls are going to slip away and there could be a downward trend here with this stock, no matter what's going on with the news and what they're saying. So first thing is 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average is 1870.94. I'm just gonna say it's 1870. I know that the cents matter as well, but this is such a big stock that those few cents, no matter what, if you know what, it's not even 1870. I'd say 1871. Those few cents do matter, but this moves by dollars fairly quickly that it has a big impact on how it moves. So I'm just gonna round it up. It's 1870.94. 1871 is the 50-day moving average. If that gets crossed in a downward direction and it falls below it, that means that this stock is on its way to break through 1868.75, which is literally 1869 um, in terms of rounding it up. If 1869 gets broken through and it's working its way closer to, 1868, 1867, support has been broken through. 50-day moving average of 1871 has been broken through, and now this stock is on its way to newer lows and falling into bearish territory. The bulls will have to load up on stocks to bring this one back up. But if they don't do that, the bears are definitely going to dominate this one and have main control and leverage in the next coming day and the next following days. So keep that in mind. Now, on the other spectrum of things, the bulls are going to want to break through 1911. 1911 is significant because this is the resistance level that will become a support, and this stock can now start to work its way to newer highs. And the highest this stock reached in the last couple of days was 1932. If 1911 can be broken and then used as support, this could be on its way to break that high and work its way up to newer highs. So until 1911 is broken through, the bulls have no leverage. They need to break through that resistance level, use it as support to move further away from the 50-day moving average and start to work their way up to newer resistance levels and newer highs. If they can't attain that, the bears are just gaining control. And as this just levels out or moves up or slowly hangs out in this area, even if it doesn't break support, the 50-day moving average does not stop for anybody. It continues to move with the stock throughout the day. And by default, the bears are going to start to have leverage. And this may even cross the stock and make it end up in bearish territory if the bulls do not react. They need to come in strong and hefty to bring this up. I hope you guys find this information informative and helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys share this with your friends and community. Hit the like button and let me know you watch this video. And first time viewers that found this informative, helpful, and worthwhile, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the bell to not miss a single video. And let's make some money.